All right, day 5. We're building something amazing today, a smart nightlight.
But hey, before we dive in, congrats. You've just hit our first major milestone.
So today, we're mashing up everything we've learned. Digital outputs are meeting analog inputs.
And the mission? Build a smart nightlight, a gadget that can actually think for itself.
And here's the star of our show, the light-dependent resistor. It's basically the project's eyes.
We're going to pop it into a special circuit that lets us measure how much light there is.
And that gives us a number from 0 to about 4,000, showing how bright the room is.
Okay, so our circuit can see the light, but how does it make a choice?
We use a super simple but powerful idea called if/else. If it's dark, do this. If not, do that.
You know, this is the same logic that runs streetlights and smart thermostats. It's everywhere.
And that's it. You have literally just built your first piece of real home automation. I mean, think about it. This isn't just a circuit. It's your very first autonomous robot.
So, we've totally nailed controlling a single LED using logic.
But what if we want like 16 million colors, not just plain old on or off?
Well, you're in luck. We'll get into all that, so tune in to day 6.